Hello, Chef here. So today I'm making huevos rancheros. I was taught to make huevos rancheros with leftovers, and I've worked with a lot of Mexicans, American Indians, people all over the Southwest, and there is no exact recipe for huevos rancheros. So today I'm using smoked pork, sliced thin. Chorizo's good, like chorizo. This is a little bit better. All right. Whole fresh eggs, blue corn tortillas. Oh yeah. Yeah, these are made by a Mexican family, and trust me, these are really, really good. A little bit of fresh basil, some tomato, garlic, zucchini, a little bit of onion, salt, pepper, some hot sauce. So follow along, here we go. Step number one, hot pan, touch of extra virgin olive oil. Meat goes in. Garlic. Oh yeah, love the garlic. Garlic's really good for you, as you know. Okay, just want to chop this up very, very fine. And then, just as an added bonus for you, I'm going to use a pinch of salt, which is ending up in my eggs anyway. And I'm going to crush the garlic, just like this. Yeah, that's going to be good. Look at that meat. Oh yeah, it's getting brown. That's where all your flavor's coming from right there. Okay. Garlic goes in, and we let it cook. Next I have some fresh tomato, and this is optional. A lot of people use salsa. A little bit of diced onion. Herbs, today I'm using basil. Cilantro would be even better. Okay, a touch of hot sauce, your choice. Some salt. Some fresh ground pepper. Okay, at this point, we're looking really, really good. I want to remove all these wonderful flavors and just put them on a plate. Okay, using the same pan, I'm going to cook my eggs now. Oh yeah, smells really, really good. And of course, the last step is we heat up the tortillas with a just small amount of oil on each one, like this. And that's the finished huevos rancheros. Of course, some grated cheese would be good on there. Yeah. And the last thing, the tortillas. Okay, there we go. Uno, dos, tres. Thank you for watching my presentation. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a great day. So I'll build one of these for you here like this. All right. Touch of your favorite salsa. If you want to make your own, refer to the recipes. A little bit of hot sauce, a little extra there. Oh, yeah. That right there. huevos rancheros. Wow.